Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Welcome back all my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today's video is going to be another autumn design, and I'm going to be using the Tia's Beauty products that I got in my last little nail haul. So judging by the comments, a lot of people seem to absolutely love the Shamrock, so I thought I would go with Shamrock and do a kind of green autumn inspired look. So I'm starting off with putting Shamrock. I'm starting off doing an extended nail bed. So yeah, I'm going to get the extended nail bed done on the ring finger, and while that's curing, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the coloured acrylic. I've already laid down my clear base. I don't have any of the clear from Tia's Beauty. I only ordered their coloured acrylic, so I am going to be using Glitterbels glass slippers, and I'm using Pinkerbel cover here from Glitterbels for the extended nail bed. And as Pinkerbel cover is a core powder from Glitterbels, you will see that I'm going to build up my apex on this extended nail bed. So when I'm capping the coloured acrylic, I don't need to go over the apex area. And while I'm waiting on the ring finger curing, I'm going into the pointer finger, and I'm just laying down the Pinkerbel cover just so that the nail bed area is the same colour. This one, it's not going to be an extended nail bed. I am going to do a glitter fade, but I just want to make sure that the nail bed area is the same colour. Onto the little finger now, and this is where I'm starting to use the Shamrock. You will absolutely love this colour. It is absolutely amazing. Just look at it. It flows so well. It is just like liquid just flowing down that nail. It goes on so easily. I have to say though, this actually goes on much easier than some of the Glitterbels ones. So I've just zoomed in to let you see just how easy this flows. I am absolutely amazed at this. And you can see that colour, it's just so pigmented and it's just so easy to use. Just look at that. It stays in place until you actually start to move it yourself with the brush, and it blends seamlessly into the previous bead. I love it. So moving on now to the middle finger, and this is going to be a marble. And I'm going in with the Shamrock first, just to get that cuticle area nice and tidy. And the other colour I'm going to use with the marble is olive, and it's also a Tia's Beauty colour. So I'm just going to use the two colours, but I will add a little bit of the glitter that I'm going to use on the rest of the nails, just to add a little bit of jazz, just to jazz them nails up a little bit. As you can see, this is going to be quite a little subtle marble. It's not one of the, the really like vibrant marbles. I just like the way these two colours just came together to do this marble. And by adding the little bit of glitter, it just brings it all together. Sorry, I might have framed this a little bit when I'm doing this nail. I didn't realise, but I do catch on, and I move the hand back a little bit. I think it was whenever I zoomed in on doing the little finger, I forgot to zoom back out. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm using a little bit of a glitter. I just got this in my local beauty store. You can probably get it on eBay or Amazon. And I just thought that it went really, really well with the Shamrock, and would just make these nails just look even nicer. So back to the pointer finger now, and I'm going to be putting on these little green maple leaves that you can see to the right. But I'm going to lay down, this is from Glitter Planet, it's called Mint Delight, and it's just one of their glitter ranges. It's not iridescent or anything, but I just thought that it was such a lovely colour and it would go really, really nice with the maple leaves on top of it. And while that is still wet, I'm just going to place some of those little maple leaves into it. To get the glitter, I didn't say at the start, sorry, because it's not a pre-mixed glitter, I had to lift up a bead of clear acrylic and then dip it into the Mint Delight just to be able to place it on the nails. Moving on to the thumbnail now, and as you know, if I am doing the thumb, I normally do the thumb exactly the same as I do on the little finger. So I'm getting in again with the Shamrock, and this is going to be a full coverage. But again, you can see just how pigmented that is and how easily that actually goes on the nail. It's like perfectly level. It's such a beautiful acrylic to work with. I really, really like it. And just to tie this glitter in with the rest of the nails, I'm just placing that little glitter that I got in my local beauty store, just in that little swishy movement that I do down the nail. I'm just placing a tiny little bead of that Shamrock just on the free edge of that nail because I did notice it was just a little bit thin. And then I'm going in again with that glitter and I'm just doing the same design that I did on the thumb. And again, because I like to tie all the nails in together, you know, I don't like to have one nail that is completely different. I'm just taking some of that Mint Delight and I'm just placing it over the other acrylic so that all the nails have something similar, similar colour to them. So now I'm going to cap all the nails bar the ring finger in glass slippers, and then I'm only going to show one of them being capped because they're all capped the same way, just to keep the length of the video down. Back to the ring finger now, and that acrylic has all cured, so I'm just taking my hand file and I'm just going to crisp up that smile line so that whenever I butt the Shamrock up to it, it's going to be really, really nice and crisp. quick dust off, and now I'm ready to go in with the colour. So I'm going in with the Shamrock, and I'm just going to butt that right up to that smile line, making sure that it's nice and crisp, and then I will bring it down the rest of the nail to the free edge. I just love how this flows, and it just even the bead that I had put on, you know, to butt up to the smile line, it was already starting to cure, and when I put some more of that Shamrock on, it just completely blended in with it. So just to tie the ring finger in with the rest of the nails, I went in again with that little glitter that I got from my local beauty store. I thought I would just add a little bit of that olive just on the free edge of the nail, but I don't know why. It does nothing to the nails, but you can kind of see it. But it was just a harebrained idea. I just thought at the end, yeah, let's stick some olive on. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cap this nail in glass slippers. I know I built up the apex area with the Pinkerbel cover, but I think I actually did it a little bit too low, so I am capping over the whole nail. So now that it has all cured, I'm going to go in and do my normal filing routine. I'm only going to show one of the nails being filed just to keep the length of the video down. So my filing routine, I always start at the sidewalls and make sure they're nice and straight. Then I go to the lower arch, which you can see me doing now, and I make sure that's nice and straight and coming out in line with the natural nail. After I've done that, I go to the free edge and make sure that's nice and straight and the shape that I want it. And then I usually go to the cuticle area and make sure it's nice and flush, and then I file over the rest of the nail, making sure that I'm always filing up towards the apex and that there's no obvious lumps and bumps. Now that they've all been filed in shape, a quick wipe over with some alcohol and we're on to top coat time. So I'm absolutely going to love this top coat time because with this Shamrock, once that top coat will hit this, it will just start to come to life. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, look at the way that just shimmers. Oh, that is so nice. I'm in love. I absolutely love this colour. And just to finish these nails off, I'm just going to add a few green coloured gems just to the cuticle area. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to add kind of like that swishy line just down the whole of the nail. When I'm using the glue or Glitterbels base glue just to adhere the gems on, sometimes it takes a little while to cure. So I just use that little fixing spray. It's for doing like fiberglass and silk nails, and it just cures the glue instantly. So I just placed the rest of the AB crystals just down the centre nail. I'm out of frame, sorry, so I'm not going to show all the crystals being laid. And here is the finished set. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I have loved working with these products. If you have, you know what to do, give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, you could go ahead and do that now. And I will see you all in the next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.